EagleRidge, your premier choice for kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Goshen, Utah. EagleRidge is the premier choice for kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Goshen, Utah, 84633. Renowned for our ability to blend functionality with beauty, we ensure that every kitchen remodel reflects your unique style and needs. Located in the heart of Goshen, we offer a comprehensive suite of services, including kitchen makeovers, custom kitchen remodeling, and expert renovation specialists. Our team of skilled contractors is dedicated to transforming your kitchen with precision and creativity. For those planning new kitchen construction, we provide custom kitchen design and build services, including kitchen additions and extensions. We also specialize in kitchen planning, design, and 3D concept development to ensure your kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful. EagleRidge excels in cabinetry and storage solutions. From custom cabinetry installation and cabinet refacing to built-in cabinets and pantry installation, we offer innovative storage solutions to fit any space. When it comes to countertops, we offer expert installation of granite, quartz, marble, solid surface, and butcher block options, all tailored to your kitchen's aesthetic. Our flooring services cover tile, hardwood, and vinyl kitchen flooring installation, including floor refinishing to restore your space's beauty. To elevate your kitchen style, we provide backsplash installation and custom designs, as well as wall paneling and accent walls to create a modern and sophisticated look. Lighting is key to a functional and inviting kitchen. We offer under-cabinet, recessed, LED lighting, and skylight installation to brighten your space. Plumbing and fixture services, including sink and faucet installation, garbage disposal, and pot filler installation, ensure your kitchen functions at its best. We also handle appliance installations, whether built-in appliances or standalone models, ensuring a seamless fit and professional setup. Our electrical services cover everything from electrical upgrades and outlet installations to smart home integration and lighting control systems. For kitchen ventilation, we specialize in vent hood and exhaust fan installation to keep your kitchen air fresh and clean. EagleRidge also handles structural modifications, such as wall removal for open concept transformations, as well as door and window installation to add light and flow to your space. Our finishing touches include trim, molding, decorative elements, custom woodwork, and painting to complete your kitchen's transformation. We pride ourselves on offering eco-friendly kitchen remodeling services with energy-efficient appliances, aging-in-place modifications, and luxury upgrades. Additionally, we provide demolition services, along with site cleanup and waste disposal. Our consultation and project management services include free estimates, design consultations, and comprehensive planning with licensed, insured contractors. Whether you're envisioning a modern, traditional, farmhouse, minimalist, or contemporary design, we'll work with you to create your dream kitchen. At EagleRidge, we stand out with our commitment to personalized service, innovative design, and a close collaboration with clients to ensure every project meets their exact needs and preferences. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to schedule your free estimate.